So 55H, if you are converting into the binary, then you will be get like that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 0 1 0, sorry, 0 1 0 1. 5 means 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm repeat once again, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Full form of RAR, rotate accumulator right.
Right.
Right means left to right. Left to right with carry means there is a carry flag before the instruction. This is the before the instructions. What are the content? Carry flag is 0 right
0.
now. This is my left side. This is my left side. This is my right side. So all the bit will be shifted 1 bit positions. All the bit will be shifted 1 bit positions, and these bit will be coming into the carry flag, and carry flag content are coming into the D7 bit. This is a D7 bit, this is a D0 bit. So whatever I can say, the content of accumulator will be shifted 1 bit position with carry, and the content of carry flag will be coming into the D7 bit. Content of D0 bit will be copied into the carry flag. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what will be there
Yes, sir.
after the instructions? What will be happen after the instructions? Tell me. 0 0 1 0 1 0
Hmm.
1 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Just see,
0.
all are written over here up to over here. 0
Please
1
explain me again,
0 1 0 1 0.
sir.
Huh?
Please explain again.
Yeah, all the bit will be shifted by 1 bit positions. Means this
Yes.
bit will be coming over here, this bit will be coming over here, this bit will be coming over here, this bit will be coming over here, and this bit will be coming over here, and this bit will be coming over here. So this data will be coming into the carry flag, and the content of carry flag will be coming into the D7 bit. Okay. So just rearrange all those things. This 0 will be coming in the font in the D7 bit, right?
Yes, sir.
Rest all are put it up to 0 because this one already shifted over here. So 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 up to that, and carry flag will be
1.
1. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the data? This is 2. This is 1010 in hexadecimal. What is the code?
10A 1010 10A hexadecimal.
Not 10A, it's A.
A.
It's A. 2A, right? So
Yes, sir.
after the instructions, accumulator will be 2A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, what are the requirement of these instructions? Whether this instruction is required or not? Whether this instruction is required or not? What are the functions it may be? Can you say any odd number? Any odd number? One example.
5
7.
5. In two digit format?
13
13.
hexadecimal will see.
In all you know, 13 hexadecimal, it will be D, not C. Not C.
D.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 13. 13H. So what will be in binary form? 0 0 0 1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And 0 0 1 1. Am I right? This is 1 and this is 3.
3.
Any odd number, the last digit should be 1. Last digit should be 1. Any odd number.
Yes, sir.
You can find out any odd number, like say there is a number is AD. Sir, how I can assume this is odd? What do you mean by D?
Sir, 10
13.
1011
Aste, aste. D. What do you mean by D?
11 101.
13.
13. D means 13.
13.
D means 13. 13 means odd.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So basically, if you are converting into the binary, then you will be getting like that: 1
One.
0 1 0
0,
1 0
1, 1.
1. It is D.
স্যার কি স্যার একবার বলুন কি লিখলেন?
No, D means 13. 13 means
স্যার 1101 1101
8 4 2 1. What does mean the 13? 13 means 8 plus 4 12 plus 1 13 means 1101. So number like that 1010 1101.
No.
So this is last bit is
1.
1. So last bit is 1 means it's a odd number. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To check whether any number is odd number or even number, we are using RAR. To check whether any number is odd number or even number, we are using RAR. So how can we identify? If after the operation, if carry flag is set,
Carry flag is set.
then means it's an odd number.
Odd
If
number.
carry flag is reset, means it's a
Even number.
even.
Even number.
So to find out odd number and even number, we are using RAR. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, the instructions is the reverse. RAL, RAL. Instruction is RAL, RAL.
Rotate accumulator left.
Rotate accumulator left. Just reverse of this. Means say whatever the content is available, that is 55H, and and carry flag is
1.
assuming carry flag is 1. Assuming. Okay, previous. This is assuming. So whatever 55 means before the instructions, what are the 55 means? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right? It's the content of accumulator. Okay.
Hmm.
And the carry flag is also 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What will be happen? Now all the data are shifted from left to right.
Left to right.
These to that, these to that, these to that, this to that, this to that, this to that, this to that, and it will be coming into the carry flag, and these carry flag content are coming into the D0 bit. Is it clear? Just
Yes, sir.
reverse of the previous. All the bit will be shifted from left to right, from left position to right positions. Sorry, from right positions to left
To left
positions.
position.
From right positions to left positions. D7 bit content will be copied into the carry flag, and the content of carry flag will be copied into the D0 bit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What will be happen, sir? Like 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. It will be done. Sorry, 1 0 1 1. Because carry flag is 1. And carry flag will be 0.
0.
Just see, all are shifted, just eliminating the 0, and put it all the data, right? And the last, this one will be coming. So 1 1. Okay. What
Yes,
is the
sir.
data? It's a
A.
it's a
11.
B.
D.
B. So after the instructions, accumulator will be AB and carry flag will be 0.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what are the application of these instructions? What are the application of these instructions? Anyone can say what are the applications. If you are in your mind, means it may be required in that particular with the help of these instructions, any kind of. Sir, whatever the checking by RAR, what are the function of RAR?
To check any odd and even number.
Means to check the to check the content of
D0 to D7.
content of D0 bit only.
Hmm.
To check the content of D0 bit only. And that's why your order even. So now we can check the content of
D7.
D7 bit. D7 bit is called sign magnitude bit. Is called sign magnitude bit. D7 bit is called sign magnitude bit. So if
Okay, sir.
D7 bit is, after the instruction, if carry flag is set, then the number is called negative number. If carry flag is reset, then the number is called
Zero.
positive number. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I am
Yes,
repeating
sir.
once again. If after the instruction, if carry flag is set, Bera, I unable to hear you. Bera, I am unable to hear you. If you have any problem, so just you can send me the message. So I will.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Huh? Tell me, Bera.
Okay.
Bera, I am unable to hear you. Maybe internet issue. If you have, carries. Yeah. CY is carry flag. CY is carry flag. I already explain you now, and then a flag register. CY is nothing but a carry flag. In my second or third class, you will be getting the carry flag. 0, then what? If it is 0, previously if it is assuming is 0, then what will be happen? If 0, then this number also become a 0, and carry flag also will be 0. So that's why I know that carry flag will be 0. That's why I'm assuming it's a 1. It maybe you can assuming as a 0. No issues for that. Whatever, if it is a 0, then the number will not be B, it will be A.
A.
If the content of carry flag is 0 before the instructions. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Carry flag is even or odd. Carry flag is even or odd. That will be depend upon the RAR.
RAR.
With the help of RAR, we are checking the the content of D0 bit. If carry flag is set, means the number is odd number. If carry flag is 0, then the number is called even number for that particular RAR. Using RAL, after the instruction, if carry flag is 0, it indicates the number is positive number. If carry flag is 1, then it indicates the number is negative number. Because in sign magnitude number system, the most significant bit is nothing but a sign bit. If it is a 1, then call it a negative number. If it's a 0, then it's called a positive number in sign magnitude number system. Actually, 002, 7F, all number positive number, 802, FF, all number negative number. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If you are belonging this group, any number you are converting into the binary, you will be getting the first digit, that is most significant bit, will be 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed for the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, another instruction, that is a rotation instruction, is nothing but a RRC. Full form is rotate right without carry. Rotate right without carry. Just we are assuming that a number in accumulator before the instruction is say say 53H accumulator, and carry flag is 0. What is the binary combinations of 53? 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, right?
1. Yes, sir.
And carry flag is 0. অ্যাকচুয়ালি অমিতকে নিয়ে খুব প্রবলেম, ও খুব বিজি ছেলে তো, আজকে মনে হয় কোনো কর্মসূচি আছে তাই যাচ্ছে, সেখান থেকে যে আমার ক্লাস করছে এতেই আমি খুব খুশি। আর কি করব, গাড়ির আওয়াজ পাওয়া যাচ্ছে তাই না? It's a carry flag, accumulator 55H, sorry 53H. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What are the functions of whatever I am explaining in previous RAR? Can you explain? Can you explain, anyone?
Sir, RAR.
With shift, it will be shift from
50 to the right.
left to right.
Yes,
Similar over here, left to right,
but without carry.
without carry. Just explain me, I will be explain you all. Okay, all are shifted.
Okay, sir.
Remember, the content of D0 bit copied into the carry flag as well as copied into the D7 bit.
Oh.
Content of D0 bit copied into the carry flag as well as D7 bit.
Okay, sir.
So what will be happen? 1 0 1 0, right?
Yes, sir.
1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Is it clear?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
All are shifted and carry flag will be 0. Just you rotate, just you rotate,
Mm.
just you rotate. One by one, you just rotate. And these data, this D0 content will be coming into the D7 bit.
Okay.
Means this one will be coming into the D7 bit. And all are shifted by 1 bit positions. What will be happen? This data will be coming.
Okay.
Sorry, carry flag will be 1. Because this data will be copied into over here.
Mm.
Carry flag will be 1. So what is the data? It's a
A9.
it's a 9. Can it be done another 2 times? Another 3 times? And what are the result? All of you do and give me the result. Another 3 times. Already 1 time it done. Another 3 times you should be done. Same shifting, same again RRC. RRC on that particular number. So means again this data will be coming over here. So 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0, right? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is second time. Next I required third time. Next I required fourth time. And carry flag will be also 1
0.
1 1. This one coming over here, na?
Okay. স্যার ওই ওয়ানটা ওখানে যাচ্ছে বলে ওখানে 0 হচ্ছে তাই তো?
কোনটা?
যে 9 এর লাস্টে 1 0
This
0
one. This one coming into the carry flag
carry.
as well as over here.
Okay.
Means this bit will be copied into the carry flag as well as D7 bit.
Okay.
This D0 bit will be copied into the carry flag as well as D7 bit.
Okay, sir.
What will be the third? What will be the fourth?
So third is 0,
I don't know. I
One.
need the fourth one.
huh?
I don't know. I need only the fourth one.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the fourth one will be, it is 0 0
0 0
1 1
1 1
0 1 0 1.
0 1 0 1.
Carry is 0.
Carry is 0. What will be the content?
That 5 that's 3 and then 35.
35. So if we are, what are our first data?
$53,
53. Now it's become a.
35.
So what does it mean?
Yes, sir.
Totally reverse.
Interchange the nibble.
By interchange.
Interchange. Yes,
Interchange
sir.
the nibble. Interchange the nibble. 53 becomes a 35. This is the application of RRC to interchange the nibble.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if we are doing the 8 times,
Then we will again
So
get
our 53.
again it will be
53.
again it will be 53.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next is RLC. RLC. Again, accumulator is 53. Carry flag is 0. Just reverse of the previous one. So 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 and carry flag is 0. Okay. All are shifted 1 bit positions. All are shifted 1 bit positions. So what will be happen? What will be happen? Like right to left. Next, sir, this data
Carry.
will be within the accumulator plus D0.
Accumulator.
in D0 bit, as well as in carry flag,
Carry. Yes.
as well as in carry flag. D0 bit as well as in carry flag, right? Carry flag data will not become, but the content of D7 bit will be coming into the carry flag as well as D0 bit. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what will be the data? 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. That is A. That is 6. And carry flag will be again 0. If I am doing the same for 4 times, what will be happen?
So, sir, 35. 35.
Again it will be 35. Again
Yes,
it will be 35. If I am doing 4 times, 53 will be becomes 35.
35.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the help of these two, we are write down some program today. First,
Mm.
before I am going to write down the program, I have another theoretical part. Only one is left, which I am explaining today. That is addressing mode. Heading karo addressing mode. Addressing mode. It's a very, very important one. Addressing mode. 100% questions will be come from the addressing mode. If you know written exam, then addressing mode should be coming, in your examinations. But as maybe your exam will be conducted in online mode, and it will be, I think it will be multiple choice type questions.
Yes, sir.
So maybe coming that which instructions, which addressing mode, something like that. So write down first addressing mode
Yes, sir.
depend upon depend upon depend upon
Yes.
depend upon the functions depend upon the functions
Hmm.
of various type of instructions with their operand with their operand with their operand.
Yes.
It's clear?
Yes, sir. Depend upon the functions of various types of instructions with their operand.
With their operand, we are classified all the instructions. We are classified all the instructions into several groups.
Or-
Into several groups. Those are called addressing mode. Those are called addressing mode. Number one, immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. In this mode of instructions, operand is nothing but a 8-bit or 16-bit data. Operand is nothing but a 8-bit or 16-bit data. Operand is nothing but a 8-bit or 16-bit data,
Yes, sir.
which is given in the instruction itself. Which is given in the instruction itself. Is called immediate addressing mode. Is called immediate addressing mode. As for example is very, very important in written examinations, as well as whenever your examination will be conducted in online mode, in multiple choice. It's very, very important. As for example,
So move immediate.
as for example, as for example, MVI
Move immediate.
A, 3E, ADI 4E, LXI H, 8500H. Remember, the last I, it indicates it's an immediate addressing mode.
Imprecise.
Yes.
Any instruction ending with a I, it's a indicate as an immediate addressing mode.
Immediate.
Like ADI, like MBI, like LXI, like SBI. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, immediate addressing mode.
Immediate addressing mode. I'm explaining one instructions. Say I'm explaining these instructions. Anyone can explain. I'm explaining these instructions. In these instructions, MBI A, 3, operand is nothing but a 3E. Operand is nothing but a 3E, which is given in the instruction itself. Which is given in the instruction itself. Which is given in the instruction itself. That's why this is an example of immediate addressing mode. That's why this is example of immediate addressing mode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next is register addressing mode. Next is register addressing mode. In this mode of addressing,
hello
bolo,
স্যার
bolo.
স্যার এই ইনস্ট্রাকশনে স্যার ডাটাটা রেজিস্টারের মধ্যে ট্রান্সফার হবে না
বুঝতে পারলাম না।
মানে স্যার মানে রেজিস্টার অ্যাড্রেসিং মোডে
Next is a register addressing mode. In this mode of addressing, operand is nothing but a content of a particular memory locations. Content of a particular register. Operand is nothing but a content of a particular registers. And the register given in the instruction itself. And the register given in the instruction itself. And the register given in the instruction itself. And the register
Yes, sir.
হ্যালো
hello. And you know the content of the register and the register given in the instruction itself. As for example,
Sir, sorry, sir, interrupt করার জন্য, sir. In this mode of addressing, then একটু বলুন।
the content, the operand is nothing but a content of a particular register. Operand is nothing but a content of a particular register. And the register given in the instruction itself. The register given in the instruction itself. As for example, move A, B, move A, B, add B, INR B, sub B, etc. I'm explaining this instruction. In these instructions, move A, B, the content of B register, will be copied into the accumulator. Will be copied into the accumulator. Will be copied into the accumulator. Will be copied into the accumulator.
Okay, sir.
Will be copied into the accumulator.
That's required.
Therefore, register data will be copied into the another register.
Sir,
Therefore, the register's content will be copied into the another register. So it's an example of register addressing mode. Number 3, direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode. In this mode of addressing, operand is nothing but a, in this mode of addressing, operand is nothing but a content of a particular memory locations. Content of a particular memory locations. And the memory location given in the instruction itself. And the memory location given in the instruction itself. That's why this is an example of direct addressing mode. That's why this is an example of direct addressing mode. That's why this is an example of direct addressing mode. As for example, LDA 8500H, STA 8600H, next some example also is there which are not I'm explaining over here, so I'm not explaining you. LHLD, SHLD, there is another 2 example is there. So I am given only 2. With these instructions, ST8600, with these instructions, the content of 8600H will be copied into the accumulator.
The content of 8600H.
Sorry, content of accumulator. Sorry, I'm প্রথমটা বলে ফেলেছিলাম. Content of accumulator will be copied into the 8600H. Here, operand related with the memory locations, that is 8600,
The content of accumulator.
will be copied into the 8600H. Here, operand related with a memory location. Here, operand related with the memory locations, that is 8600H, which is given in the instruction itself. Which is given in the instruction itself. That's why this is an example of. That's why this is an example of register addressing mode. That's why this is an example of register addressing mode. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Number 4. Indirect addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode. Indirect addressing mode. In this mode of addressing, operand is related with the memory locations. Operand related with the memory locations. Operand related with the memory locations. but memory locations not given in the instruction itself. Memory location not given in the instruction itself. It's given indirectly. It's given indirectly through and register pair. 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 That's why to a register pair not required to anything, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next is as per example.
Yes.
As per example, number 1, LXI H, 8500H, move B, M. This instruction is the example of register indirect addressing mode. Move B, M. Why I am written LXI H 8500H? Because you cannot explain M without these instructions. But this instruction in nothing but example of which type of addressing mode?
Indirect addressing mode.
Huh? Repeat once again.
The direct addressing.
Immediate.
No. Last is
Immediate addressing mode.
immediate addressing
Immediate.
mode. This is an example of immediate addressing mode. But why I am written to explain this instruction LXI H 8500 is required. Something example number 2, LXI D, 8600H and LDAX D.
স্যার স্যার
বলো
স্যার একটা কথা বলবো, ভুল হলে কিন্তু কিছু বলবো
না, বলবো না, বলো।
স্যার। এই এক্স LDAX, এই এক্সটা যেটা আছে এটা মানে পেয়ার কি?
হ্যাঁ, এটা অনেকদিন আগে বলা হয়ে গেছে আমার, স্যার।
বলা হয়ে গেছে? ঠিক আছে।
নট
স্যার লোড অ্যাকুমুলেটর LDAX
জানি না স্যার, আমি
X হচ্ছে
ফাংশন জানি না। এই জন্য তো বলছি পুরো ক্লাসটা না করলে এগুলো তো মানে তোমাকে হিব্রু লাগবে মনে হবে না, এগুলো সব বলা হয়ে গেছে। So this is another example. LDAX, STX, all are the example of register indirect addressing mode. I'm explaining this one. These instructions copy the content of particular memory locations. Copy the content of particular memory locations within a bucket located by HL register pair, that is 8500H. Located by HL register pair, that is 8500H, bracket close. In this example, the content of particular memory location will be copied into the B register. Will be copied into the B register. Will be copied into the B register. Here the operand is nothing but a content of a particular memory location. Content of a particular memory locations. As related with the memory locations, and memory location not given in the instruction directly, and the memory location not given in the instructions directly. That's why this is an example of register indirect addressing mode. Number 5. Implicit addressing mode. Example given by Amit. Implicit addressing mode.
স্যার এই অ্যাড্রেসিং মোডে 2-3টে এক্সাম্পল বল দেবো।
Implicit addressing mode. Amit will be given the example.
হ্যাঁ স্যার বলুন।
Follow.
স্যার সিএমএ হবে একটা,
CMA.
কমপ্লিমেন্ট অ্যাকুমুলেটর।
আচ্ছা।
আর স্যার দাঁড়ান বলছি এক্সচেঞ্জ,
XCHG.
না না এক্সিএইচজি
XCHG available in 8085.
জানি না, কিন্তু এর মধ্যে আছে স্যার, এটুকু মনে আছে। আর রোটেট অ্যাকুমুলেটর লেফট, আর এইটাও হবে আরএল।
Give me the definitions. পড়াশোনা কর, বাড়িতে বলছে ঠিকই বলছে। তাই না অমিত? ওকে,
হয়ে যাবে স্যার, চিন্তা নেই, পরীক্ষা আসুক ঠিক পড়ে নেবো।
in this mode of addressing, operand is nothing but a content of accumulator. Operand is nothing but a content of accumulator. Content of accumulator. And after the operations, result also store into the accumulator. And after the operations, result also store into the accumulator. As for example, whatever I am explaining today, RAR, RAL, number 3, RRC, number 4, RLC, etc. These are the 4, whatever I am explaining today. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In all the instructions, the content of accumulator are used as an operand, and after the operation is performed, result also stored into the accumulator. Result also stored into the accumulator. Therefore, all the example are nothing but a implicit addressing mode. Okay. Next, I will be given to you, that is, write an assembly language program which is find out odd number from a given data array. Odd number from a given data array. Assuming length of the data array stored in 83008, data will be stored from, data stored in or array starting from, just cut it down, array starting from 84008. Number of odd number it's a find out. Can anyone can repeat once again the questions?
So write an assembly level language program to find out odd number
Very good.
from a
Very
given
good.
data array.
Very good. Number of odd number will be stored in 85008, and the odd number and the odd number stored from, and the odd number stored from 86008. 86008.
Sir.
Question is clear to everyone? Question
Yes, sir.
clear to everyone? Any doubts? Anyone? কাউরির কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে? কোশ্চেনটা নিয়ে
No,
বলতে
sir.
নিয়ে
No, sir.
everyone understand? Very good. Next, the length of the data array means how many numbers are there. Say over here is 0a, so 10 number will be there. 10 number will be there, right? From where it is starting? From 84008, like AB, 01H, like CD, like 55EH, 7CH, 94H, 52H, 7FH, D6H. F5H, EFH. Its ending will be 840
9.
09H. Okay, it's clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, sir, how many a number is odd from this? B means
11.
11.
11 means odd or even?
Odd.
Odd.
So ABH. Next 8601. Sir, D means
14.
30. 13.
13, sir. Sorry.
D means 13. So it's another odd number. CDH. 028. Sir, 5E. E means
14.
14 means it's a odd, not a odd number, right? E means
12.
12 is not a odd number. 4 not a odd number. 2 not a odd number. F means 15. 7F. The next number. 56. 6 is not a odd number. 5 is an odd number. So F5.
F.
F means 15.
Odd.
Again EF. 038 and 048. Okay. So how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. Over here it will be answer will be 05H. This program should be done. It's clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You write all the memory location.
Yes,
I am not
sir.
written, but you should be written all the memory locations from 8400 to 8409.
Yes, sir.
Same program, odd will be replaced by even. Even will be replaced by positive. Positive will be replaced by negative. So there are 4 programs in this series. I am written only odd. You will be written even, positive, negative. Okay. So your homework will be even number, positive number, negative number. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
After that,
Okay, sir.
addition of odd number, addition of even number, addition of positive number, addition of negative number. Means if 5, then you add this 5 number, store the result in 8700H, Stored the carry in 8701H. Result will be in 8700H, carry in 8701H. Okay. So how many program will be today?
So today here we will do one program and we will have 5 programs for as homework.
Not 5 programs, sir. 7 programs.
All are addition and a subtraction.
Addition of odd, addition of even, addition of positive, addition of
Oh,
negative.
Oh, okay.
So there are another 4 programs.
Another 4 programs, yes.
And here even positive, negative 3. So 4 plus 3, that is 7.
7.
So total is 8 program. So be aware and be careful. If you learn this program properly, you can write the other 7 programs. So, sir, first, what are the initializations? What are the data you required? How many numbers is available? Where it is stored? Look at the data array, where it is stored?
Sir, LXI 08300H.
Where it is stored? Where it is stored?
83
X300.
8300H.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8300H. Very good. So this data, that is a 0A, should be stored in a particular register, because whenever we are enter into the loop, always decrement this register 1 and checking whether this register is 0 or not. Until it is 0, we are continuing once again and once again and once again. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what are the what are the first instructions? How I am getting this data into the B register? How this data will be received into the B register?
Sir, first LXI B, 8500.
LXI. Only
No,
one
that
data.
is for the register pair. I'm very sorry.
No. LDA
LDA 8500. B
8500H.
move,
Move
comma.
Move
comma
B to
A.
A.
So B will be 0AH.
Yes, sir.
B will be 0AH. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
B will be 0H. It's clear to everyone? Next,
Yes, sir.
from where the data is stored?
Sir, hello.
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, if I want, then I start from LXI 8500H.
Why? Because only oh, it's not a 85, it's a 83.
83,
Yeah,
3.
I think. Yes, 83.
8300H.
So because there are 10 inputs.
10 input, but it's starting from
8400H.
so LXI 8400 can be used, but not LXI 8300. What are the requirement?
Okay.
Only one data you want to
Okay.
copy. So only LDA is sufficient for that.
Okay, sir.
So next, the data is stored from 8400H. That's why LXI H, 8400H.
8400H.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next, so data will be copied in.
8600H.
There is a lot of data, so it should be stored in a register pair, through a register pair. LXI B can be used, but I am not using B, I am using D. 8600H, I think. Sir, why I am not
Sir,
using?
why? Yes, sir.
You answer will be given by you, not given by me. You cannot use B
Okay.
because
These use
B
one
is
time.
already used for different purpose. Right?
Yes, sir.
देखो B already used. B is nothing but storing the how many data is there, length of the data array. So if I am using these instructions B, then this B will be replaced. Okay. So
Yes,
D
sir.
register pair I'm using over here. Only one register is vacant now. Which register?
Sir,
Only
No.
one register now is vacant. Rest all the register is used. Which register?
Sir, accumulator.
Accumulator is already used over here.
sir, memory M.
Memory is not a register. It's related
Register.
with HL register pair.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only one register is not used. Sir, how many register is there? A, B, C, D, E, H, L,
Okay.
right?
Huh.
HL is used
Yes,
over here.
Hmm.
D is used over here.
Huh?
B is
A.
used over here. A
Yes,
already used. Which register is not used?
C.
C.
Yes,
C
sir.
is a, till now is not used. So I am doing C become a 0. Why requirement? That we will be count how many odd numbers is there. If I am not become a 0, then if the register have any garbage value, then you will be counting from that. Means how many students over here? I am saying that 12. Anyone is saying that is 22. Both are correct. Because who says the 22, he is starting from 10. His initial value is 10. It's clear?
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
So next MBIC, 008 is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what will be happen? Bolo? Move A, M. So what will be the content of accumulator?
The content of accumulator will be the content of M.
Content of M. What is the content of M?
The content of M is the content of the specific memory location specified by the HL register pair,
8400.
which is
Because
8400.
LXI H8400. So now the content of M is nothing but a AB.
AB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these AB will be coming into the accumulator.
Hmm.
Okay. Then
Yes,
we
sir.
will be check whether this number is odd or even. How?
We will use
Which instructions?
RAR.
RAR, exactly. Then
RAR.
if carry flag is set means
If carry flag, then it is an odd number.
odd number. So if carry flag is set, then this number will be stored into over here. And for this one odd number is there. That's why C will be incremented by 1.
1. Yes.
C will be incremented by 1 and this number will be stored in 8600H. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next, you should not be written. As if carry flag is set, then we will be do something. So we will be using the reverse.
Jump, not carry.
Jump and not carry. If carry flag is not set, then jump. Where? I will be given where. But if carry flag is set, what will be done?
Then we will do two things. First, move the content of accumulator to 8600,
8600.
and then
8600. Okay, first do it. How it will be done?
STA.
STAX D. You should not be written. I already clarify you.
Okay, sir.
STXD. Okay. So what is the function of STXD? What are the content of DE?
The content of DE is the content of HC.
Content of DE is nothing but
8600.
So now the content of accumulator will be copied into the 8600H, right?
Hmm.
Now, in my first questions, what are the content of accumulator present now?
It will also be the content of 00H, which we just copied.
Before these instructions, what are the content of accumulator?
It was AB, I think the first one.
No. Answer is no.
Okay.
Anyone can explain why no? Because move a comma m is done. But
Oh, sorry.
this instruction is already performed, that is RAR.
Yes.
Data is completely changed.
Changed.
Now the content of accumulator is not AB.
It is something else.
To
Yes,
get
yes.
the AB, there is a two options. There is a two option. Either reverse rotation, that is RAL. Either the reverse rotation, RAL,
Okay.
or move a comma m
A
again.
comma M.
So now what are the content of accumulator?
The content of M again.
Content of M means AB now in accumulator.
Yes, sir.
So AB will be stored into the 8600H
8600H.
with the help of STXD. Sir, if any data again come in odd number for the next step or the next to next step, then the data will be stored in 8600H again or 8601H.
8601H.
8601H means, so next data means a CD. CD will not be stored in 8600H. CD will be stored in 8601H.
601H.
So that's why INX8.
INX.
So sorry, INXD. INXD. So what will be the content of D now?
The content of 8601.
8601H.
Content of, not content of. 8D content is nothing but 8601.
Okay.
D content is 8601. Previously 8600, now is 8601. So again, if we are doing STXD, so what will be the content of accumulator will be stored in 8601, not in 8600. So there will be no concept of overlapping. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
One
Right.
odd number is found. That's why INR, which register? Which register used for odd number? Number of odd number.
P.
C. So INR C. These some step will not be done if carry flag is reset. If carry flag is reset or a carry flag is set, both the cases, INX H. So what will be happen? What will be happen? What will be the content of HL?
The content of HL will
8400H.
No, 8400 already is there.
84.
8401. So the next data will be find out. Already one operation is done. That's why DCR B and J and Z. DCR B and J and Z. J and Z. So J and Z double star. And it will be put in move A comma M.
Move A comma M.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
DCR B and J and Z. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
চলে যাচ্ছ নাকি আছে তো এটা ঢুকিয়ে রাখি নাহলে তো মাল সবট হয়ে যাবে এই বললাম বলে কি করলে J and Z. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
J and Z into move A comma M. So what will be the content of accumulator now?
Sir, accumulator content is M.
The content of M. Content of M is nothing but a
84.
840.
01 CD.
8401 memory
8401
locations content, that is CD.
CD.
CD
Hmm.
coming into the accumulator, again checking the same, again doing the all the functions. So already with the help of these two line, this data is already stored.
Okay.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So we should be stored only this data in 8500H. Right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, number of odd number, where it is, we can get it after the program?
C.
C. You will be getting C, because whenever odd number is coming, we are increasing C. So C data will be stored into the 8500H, right?
850.
Yes, sir.
So how it will be done, sir? How it will be done? STA 8500H. Right? Sir, what are the function of STA 8500H?
Move the content of accumulator to 8500H.
Move the content of accumulator into the 8500H.
850.
So, but I want to copy the content. I want to transfer the content of C, not content of A. So how it
Yes,
will
sir.
be done?
Move
Move,
Move A, comma C.
move A, comma C. Right?
Yes, sir.
And the last line should be HL.
850.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how we can do for even? For even? Where is Amit? Amit is not there. How we are find out the even number?
sir Amit the left.
What is the, how we can find out
Sir,
the,
for even we will
only one line I will be changed. Odd number program will be converted into the even.
MBIC 01H.
MBI
C01H, sir. No, sir.
only one line. Sir, how we are find out odd number and even number? Please tell me
Sir,
from this.
sir, आड़े 8 जगह आड़े L कोडबो.
No,
L.
sir. No, sir. No, sir. Sir, how we are find out the odd number and even number with the example I am already given. Please tell me.
Sir, carry the zero.
If carry flag is set, means odd number. If carry flag is reset, means even number. Means
Yes, sir.
the function is done over here at the carry flag is set. This
Yes.
portion when carry flag is
Set.
Set.
set, either 1 and 0, either 1. Now is for 1, but for even number, this portion will be done only
so jump at carry.
only carry flag is reset. So that's why we are using only these instructions will be replaced by JC start, and the program will be the same. The program is nothing but an even number of program, even number. Find out the even. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only one
Yes.
line is changed.
Yes, sir.
Sir, how we are find out the positive number? Amit, please tell me.
Sir, may I?
Yes, absolutely.
So first we will only use instead of RAR we will use RAL.
Instead of RAR, we using RAL.
Okay. Now if we jump at carry, at no carry, in case of then we are using JNC. Jump at no carry. Yes, sir.
I find out the positive number.
Yes, sir. And if we
Positive means carry flag is set or carry flag is reset.
Reset.
Carry flag is reset.
Reset.
Exactly.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means
Yes,
we are using the
sir.
JC
Jump
only.
at carry.
Hmm.
We are using the JC, RAL and JC.
JC.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And for negative number, RAL and JNC.
JNC.
JNC. Jump at
Hmm.
not.
RAL
Yes,
and
sir.
JNC. Right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I'm
sir.
just write down over here for odd, we are doing RAR and JNC. Even RAR and JC. Positive RAL,
RAL, JC,
JC.
negative
RAL,
RAL,
JNC.
JNC. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Unable to understand? Please let me know in tomorrow. All the program you should be written with a memory location with a hex code, and another 4 program you should be written, that is addition of odd number, addition of even number, and the result will be stored in 8700 and 8701, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you say why I am doing these instructions? Why I am not doing, if I am using RAR, why I am not doing the RAL?
So RAR is a 3-byte instruction. RAR or RAL.
Huh?
RAR or RAL, those are 3-byte instructions.
RAR and RAL?
Are those 3-byte instructions?
No, those are 1 byte instructions.
Okay.
Sir, very simple answer. Very simple. If I am doing the RAR and over here is RAL, then whenever we are using the RAL, then these instruction again change to RAR.
Okay.
So to unchange the program, I am doing move A, comma.
Okay, sir.
Answer is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I am doing RAL, then it will be RAR.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
that's why it should not be changed. That's why move A, comma. For everyone, every program it will be same. No issue.
Okay, sir.
Okay.